The internet reached 50 million users in just 5 years. Reached more people globally than any conventional marketing methods. And it is the latest trend in today's world. The face of advertisement has now changed. Social media marketing is becoming the latest trend in effective advertisement. Hey, most corporates use social media to promote their business. Content marketing revolves around 80% social networking. Every second 4 new members join social media. Facebook users share over 4 billion items per second. With fast, effective free advertisement, 80% users saw an increase in website traffic after investing just 5 hours per week. Almost 50% users active on social networks who follow a particular brand. Shouldn't you be a part of it? Remember, these same followers promote your brand even when they are offline. By using social media, you can announce new products and services. Get instant feedback from your customers. Customers can discuss their experience with you over phone, email, or web. Conduct online competitions and challenges, and many things we can do. Take your business to social web. It's inexpensive and generates great returns. Visit our page. We will change your business forever with good strategies.